Welcome, Meatless Dish family. Today we're going to be making a broccoli and mushroom stir-fry over white rice that has a little kick and will satisfy your need for a filling but healthy dish. If you're new here, I lost over 60 pounds in 2019 and kept it off by cleaning up what I eat without sacrificing taste. My goal on this channel is to help others by sharing cleaner recipes that are packed with taste for wherever you happen to be on your journey. This is another one of those dishes I'd make when craving Chinese food. This stir-fry is easy to make and doesn't take long at all. It's full of flavor and made with a spicy garlic sauce. So if you're getting hungry, let's make some good. This is everything you're going to need to make this dish. It's all organic, but feel free to substitute as you see fit. The ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description. Before we start preparing our ingredients, let's start with the rice since it's going to take the longest. 1 cup of basmati white rice that's been rinsed thoroughly and drained. 1 1/3 cup of distilled water, or spring. I wouldn't use tap. Turn the stove on high heat and bring it to a boil. Cover and reduce heat to low, let it simmer for 20 minutes. Everything's washed and ready to go. Now let's take care of business. Grab 3 stalks of broccoli, cut and break them up into bite-sized florets. Set them aside. Now take about 8 white mushrooms. I have 3 too many for my 3-quart saute pan, so learn from my mistakes. Slice them to your desired thickness. Set them aside. Roll out 9 cloves of garlic like you're shooting dice. Then peel and dice them up. Again, set it aside. I'm using a mini sweet red pepper here, but I would have used a red chili pepper if I could have found one. Slice and dice it. You know what to do. Last but not least, take a thumb of ginger, a little bigger than the tip of your thumb, and chop it up. Set it aside. Remember that rice? Oh yeah, it's fluffy and sticky, not mushy at all. Look at that. Now let's get cooking. I'm heating a saute pan on medium here. Once the pan is warm, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Organic, of course. Now toss in the garlic, followed by the mushrooms. I cook these for about a minute and add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add the diced red pepper. Continue to cook for an additional 1.5 minutes. Now let's make it saucy. Add 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce. Tamari keeps it gluten-free. 3/4 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Now add the ginger. And 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Stir and cook for an additional 1.5 minutes. I'm adding a tablespoon of chickpea flour to thicken it up. This is optional, but you could also use any flour or cornstarch to thicken up the mixture. It's up to you. Mix it thoroughly and continue to cook for another 1.5 minutes. Now some stir-fry recipes call for first steaming the broccoli separately, but I like to throw the broccoli right into the sauce and let that flavor steam right into it. Give it a little mix, cover and reduce the heat to medium-low. After 4 minutes, pop the top off and give it a thorough stir, hence the name. Cover it back up and simmer for an additional 2 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. All that flavor's cooked right into the broccoli and mushrooms. Give it another thorough stir and it's ready to serve. And there you have it. A broccoli and mushroom stir fry that tastes so good, you might just subscribe. If you'd like to see a particular meatless dish recipe, feel free to leave a suggestion in the comments. Thanks for watching.